to another episode of Post Shave, where we get to look at the weekly roundup of what's happening across a plethora of social media platforms in the Shave the Man community. I'm your host, Kazantzidis. Let's get on with the questions. So, can you over-lather soap? Are there ingredients that will churn the longer it's lathered? Really only applies to bowl lathering, of course. Well, this is an interesting question. If you are referring to continually lathering and turning this thing into something like butter, then the answer, of course, is no. Now, of course, you can overhydrate a soap. In this instance, you'll require more product. If you have a lot of product, well, then you add more water. It's a balancing act. As for over-lathering a soap, the simple answer is no. When I soak my brush, can the water be too hot? I have really hot tap water. Well, the answer to this question is absolutely yes, it can be too hot. I use a rather sort of rough and ready, or dare I say it, a qualitative method, the finger test. If I can't keep my finger in the water for longer than 5 seconds, it's too hot. Remember, water just needs to be warm, not hot. Once it's hot, you start breaking down the glues that keep the knot together, and over time, you'll find that the brush may fall apart. So my recommendation is to use warm water. There's a bit of a debate as to whether or not the Feather Black Package high stainless feather blades are different from the new high stainless yellow ones. Are these the same blades with different packaging? There's a lot of confusion all over the place on this subject. Could you please shine some light on the matter? There is absolutely no difference whatsoever between the black and grey package and the yellow package. You tend to find the grey and black blades in packages such as this one and the ASD2. No difference at all. In this episode of Shave of the Day, I have used some license. It's not really a shave of the day, but dare I say it, a shave of a century. In fact, a shave of yesteryear. And this is by Gerald Woodward. I'll just keep quiet as you enjoy these wonderful images. Well, that's it for another episode. Remember to subscribe and join us in the community. I'm Kazantzidis. We'll see you in the next episode. Such as this one.